Welcome to Grandfather's Adventures and Projects. Today we'll install an auxiliary gas tank in my 1969 Ski-Doo Olympic 320. This will be a temporary measure since I was unsuccessful in cleaning out the built-in tank. I plan to put a plastic replacement in during the warmer months, but wanted to be able to ride the sled this winter yet, even if it will be on a somewhat reduced range. Anyway, I hope you enjoy seeing the way I did this. Let's put this on first. Okay.
Okay.
It's going to go right here. Turn it around. And then now when you got it set, right, take that. It almost looks like part of the sled.
You should get rid of that safety tag off your bungee cord.
Like that.
That looks better. Oh, there was a mosquito just flew through there.
Alright, now when I gas it up, I've got to lift it a little bit so I can get this off. But when it's running, just shove it back down a little bit. This is return line, got the main line on the bottom. Okay, so that's what's going on there. Okay, got all this junk. Now we'll remove the test tank I used to get the engine running. This is actually the second carburetor build on here. From the filter plugging off, it kept acting like carburation problems, so I finally tested it with clean gas. Alright, now see if I can get this one off. Come on. Gas is back in the tank. And this one of my hoses right there. So. We're going to need to reuse the second hose as our return line, so I got to get it pulled off. I'm going to remount the seat because I'm going to put a conduit along on the left-hand side to run the hoses through. And I want to make sure everything lines up right.
Can you pull this up and get it out of the way? This lifts up, it looks like.
Hold it up. Wife gives very useful help. do this one first. So this is a 40-inch piece of PVC that 1 inch or 3/4 inch that I can slide both of these lines through and bring them all the way up the front. Keep them protected.
Put a clamp on that? No
I don't think I need one.
Okay.
I might on the fitting up there because it's not as tight, but these are tight. So is the one on the bottom. Bottom one's real tight.
Okay.
So trying to figure out the routing here so those lines don't get snagged. I end up zip tying them nice and tight there. I'm not going to have any trouble. I think I'll pull that over there.
Zip tie or duct tape?
We're going to zip tie so I can cut them. We just have to make sure we've got enough movement.
Going down to the floor. Make your own conduit pipe.
Yeah, gas pipe. Okay. Now, I can get this one. Two lines just fit.
Come on, you can do it. There you go. There, hold it, but I can't be on this side.
This is a very, very tight fit on there. So we gotta figure out how to get it all the way on.
You're gonna have some strange editing there.
There. I think this tank is just a little over a gallon, maybe a gallon and a quarter. Got it from the salvage yard, and it just happened to fit. So I'm hoping I get about 15 to 20 miles out of a tank full. Now we're going to secure that conduit, couple zip ties, both in the front and the back.
what we're doing here.
Yeah.
I wasn't even pointing the camera at what we were doing.
Now we're just gonna jump ahead, show the final results. You can see that pipe run there. We got gas lines running to a tank in the back, and that tank actually looks like it was made to go there. You got the part on the side there where you can kind of see the level in better light. That's right where our gas level is right now. Come on up to here. Got the carburetor done. Got the horn on there instead of the box. Actually got a shut-off valve there now. So we'll see if it starts again. If it does, I'm going to drop it down, get it off this rack. Really makes it more convenient to work on. And then there's a little bit of snow over there by the fence row, and I'm going to see if it runs. Alright, let's see if it starts. Okay, that's as good as I can get it right now. Done some adjusting with that, but gotta run some through it, see what happens. Now that's the way an old man lowers his sled. Well, we got it out here. That's our snow. Not very much, but we're going to give it a try. Get it started again.